everyone, Alex's mum here. So I'm about to pack an order for Rebecca. Now this is Rebecca's first order and she's picked 15 items. Let's see if you would pick the same items. So the first item going in is a giant square poppet. But not just one, she's ordered two. But this one is obviously giant colour chain. Then we've got a digit, a nutty squirrel, a confetti ball, and a Nido monster. A dimple, two snappers, a poppet bracelet, and then an 8-pop bracelet. I've actually kept one of them because, as you've seen, I do like a good bracelet. A bendy simple dimple in tie-dye colour, an acupressure ring, 2 mochis, and a fidget ring. I think that's a great first order. For your free gift, I'm going to add you this balloon dog, sherbet, and a sticker.
Guys, I was so shocked by this order. Ryan basically ordered every Stitch item in my shop. And 2 of these I just released today. One is this Stitch crossbody bag and a Stitch coin pouch. She also ordered 3 different design Stitch keychains. And I just love his order so much. I can't believe he ordered the Stitch crossbody bag and the coin pouch. I am very thankful for his order. Now, since this is a special order and one of the best orders I've received, I'm going to add blue wrapping paper on the bottom and give him 2 extra mochis other than just one to thank his support. And since he ordered all Stitch items which are blue, I'm giving him a blue rubber ball, a blue marble mesh, and one of my favorite extras to give out, which is slime. I chose this blue clear slime for him, and I hope he likes it. Obviously, guys, if you guys order, you guys will also be getting a few of these extras for free. And guys, we just released our signature stamps, and I can't wait to pack it in other people's orders. Shop and buy it.
Hey guys, this comment here says, what can you get for $3? I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to do squishies and fidgets. So first up, you can get one mystery dollar squishy. There's a lot, but I'll just do this one. These are $1. Okay, that's $1. Next up, you can get a $1 mystery emoji squishy. That's $2. And you can get another $1 mystery squishy. This is what you can get for $3 on cloudysquishies.com. But it doesn't include shipping. Shipping is $5 everywhere in the United States. And for international, it depends. So yeah, this is $3 plus $5 for shipping. But you know, $3 for the products. Shop now, cloudysquishies.com or...
Hi everyone, let's package another order. This order is from Jessica. And since she ordered during Christmas time, she's getting a lot more extras than usual. And if you guys didn't know, if you order in December, you will be getting $20 to $50 worth of fidgets for free. I am so grateful and thankful of this order because Jessica told me that she was going to give these out for Christmas. So now let's move on to the extras. These are all the options we can choose from, and I will be giving some of these for free. First, I chose this cupcake poppet with these cupcake design on each pops, a crab dimple, a tangle. I chose this yellow and white one. Ooh, this one is my favorite, a whack and mole controller, 3 magnetic rings, and our newly restocked pop tubes. These ones are a bestseller at our shop. Now let's move on to the extras of adding the free mochi and a cute sticker. Here is my business thank you cards and business sticker, and a little thank you note to Jessica. Now let's package everything inside, and early Merry Christmas, everyone. Jessica, I hope your friends love these Christmas gifts.
This was the luckiest Fidget Betty order ever. 15p scoop. Order number 1248. Bubble blowing dinosaur. Hobbit. Squishy axolotl. Squishmallow. Galaxy ball. Squishy octopus. Poppy bear. Another squishmallow. Turtle Nido. Rainbow Nido. Stretchy worms. Fortune plush ball. Giant fruit squishy. No way, another squishmallow. This has never happened before. Extras. Claw time.
This customer spent over $1,000 in my Fidget and Slime store. Let's package it right now on TikTok. So this box size is that box size. We're gonna pull this box down real quick, just really quickly. I almost hit that too, oops. Yes, we also sell slime and fidgets. I make the slime still. Get this box built. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see if I can build a box. Can you build a box? Can you build a box? I can build a box. Ha ha ha. Yeah, perfection. Okay, massive box set. Fun fact, same customer ordered all of that, which was all of this slime and all this slime clay and extras to make slime with. They ordered those. They're not free extras. We need some pink paper. Like and follow for the next part.